What's up everyone, this is your boy Sheikh Saif. Welcome back to another new video. तो guys आज का जो वीडियो है वो होम चेस्ट वर्कआउट का वीडियो है। और guys ये जो वर्कआउट है काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंटेंस होने वाला है। सिर्फ 10 मिनट का वर्कआउट है और चैलेंज ये है कि आपको सारा वर्कआउट को 10 मिनट के अंदर कंप्लीट करना है। तो गाइज ये वर्कआउट के लिए आपको कोई इक्विपमेंट का ज़रूरत नहीं है, कोई जिम का ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस खाली आपको एक ग्राउंड चाहिए। आप ये वर्कआउट कहीं भी कर सकते हो। तो गाइज जितना भी वर्कआउट है इसमें टोटल 10 पुशअप्स का वेरिएशन है। स्क्रीन पे आ रहा होगा सारा। रूल्स ये है कि आपको हर पुशअप्स को 10 रिप मारना है और 1 मिनट में कंप्लीट करना है। जैसे कि सपोज अगर आप सबसे पहला जो पुशअप्स है वो स्टैंडर्ड पुशअप्स है, उसको आप 10 रिप्स मारना है और 1 मिनट के अंदर। अगर आप 10 पुशअप 20 सेकंड में मार लेते हो तो आपके पास 40 सेकंड रेस्ट करने का होगा। तो ऐसे आपको टोटल 10 पुशअप्स मारना है अलग अलग वेरिएशंस के साथ। तो चलिए गाइज आज के वर्कआउट को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
लगता है बारिश होगा साहब भाई।
हाँ
बारिश होगा, मौसम कुछ सही नहीं लग रहा है इधर का।
हाँ यार बारिश होने वाला है, क्या करें?
जिम में चलते हैं ना।
अच्छा हाँ ठीक है, जो नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द वर्कआउट है उसको जिम में शूट कर लेंगे।
ठीक है,
सही रहेगा।
Just tell me what you want, what you need, what you see, what you wanna be. Tell me everything, think it into being. That's how dreams become the real thing. A model of thinking, a bottle to sink in, yeah. I've been coast to coast around this whole globe. I've seen a lot of hope, yeah. I've seen a lot of nope, I've seen a lot of growth, but we can make it more, yeah. I'll tell you what I want in the middle of the club. I'm dancing up on my chick, I'm showing a little love. I'm listening to this track, got the speakers above, and feel like everything is coming all together at once. I want a good life, good nights, good friends, alright. Make a couple dollars from something I love to do right. Live my young life, grow old with some memories. Living each day with a good vibe energy. Tell me what you want, just take a thought and make it happen. The only way to live up in this life is with some passion. Don't let this life just pass you by. Get up and take some action. Just tell me what you want, go take a thought and make it happen. I don't need cash or cars, I need black guitars, I need plaques for art, yeah. I need shooting stars and a few more scars, maybe a few cigars, yeah. I wanna hit all the charts across all the parts, and that's just the start, yeah. I wanna change people's lives for a single night, so listen up, alright. Think of what you want while you dance to this. Your plans and shit, romance or biz, a chance to get whatever you could possibly dream of. Could dream up, think of anything that you need. Want a car, a love, a life, a wife, that's right. Start thinking of everything you could need in life, and visualize everything, all those dreams and sights. So while you sleep tonight and wake up ready to fight, yeah. Tell me what you want, just take a thought and make it happen. The only way to live up in this life is with some passion. Don't let this life just pass you by. Get up and take some action. Just tell me what you want, go take a thought and make it happen. Tell me what you want. Just tell me what you want. Just tell me what you want. Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा।